top corner, see? A little bit of chocolate there. Okay, now I want a deeper violet going up to the eye. Not touching the eye, but you see how I've got a violet patch there. And that just goes right up to the top of the head. Okay? See, I've got my violets. I'm getting out lots of colours here. So let's go back to me white. Let's go back to me. Okay, I've got long fur hair. This is quite nice, this. Wow, it's a bit big. Let's reduce that a bit. Right, let's do this again. So it's not so... That's better. There we go. Nice soft stroke, see? And I'm just adding a little bit of highlight up here on the corner where the ear meets. Now a lot of this is just going to be done in layers, see? Let's change the opacity. Doesn't need to be that strong now. I'm going into the violet, see? Let's go back to the blue. If I make it a lighter blue, just there. That's it. And a little bit touching just there. Picking up the light, can you see? Right, now we're starting to get somewhere. I'm going to go in with some grey hairs. And just go over the edge of the chocolate patch. There you go, you see? Right, I'm just going to go back to my soft brush and just get some violet up here, look. Yeah. Just a little bit. Right, let's just grey this out a little bit. That's it. Bring the violet back till I get a happy. That's better. That's what I want. Also, I just want to add the dark patch to the eye. Just there, see? Maybe a little bit dark around the eye. A bit of grey underneath. Right, let's go back to our hairs. Lose my long fur. And I'm going to use my grey. Let's see, I think I had a short fur. Long fur, short fur. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh, this is better. Oh, this is much, much, much better. The short fur. It's a bit strong. Let's pull it back a bit. Let's just bring some of this. That's it. some of this into the ear and then to the top. Whoops. Got onto a razor by mistake. There we go. Just getting this fur in nice and soft. Right, I want to go back to my soft brush because I can see a lovely caramel coming up just above the ear there. Let's just break it. Just there. Just a little bit of caramel. And let's just add a little bit of white. There we go, look. That's it. Right, let's go back to our fur brushes. And I've still got my short fur, but I'm going to go with a lighter blue. There we go. Okay, now I want to go with a white just on the edge. See? Don't worry about the line. This is just to give me an idea where everything is. Okay. In fact, let's take that line off, just have a look, see? That's better. Right, let's just smudge some of this black. Maybe a little bit of brown. Just coming up the centre, look, see? There we go. There's so many colours that I can see when I'm doing this. Let's go for a dark blue. Let's go for a dark blue royal nude, like a Windsor. Okay. Let's go for a little bit of blue down here, look. There we go. But I want to get that softness that I'm after. Change the opacity. Make it so it takes a while before you see any change coming up, see? A little bit more. Just above the eye where I am at the minute. Let's add a little bit of, let's add a little bit of grey. Okay, putting some grey in, probably here that taps, fairly rapid. All I'm doing is I'm just putting in the short hairs. I'm just trying to see where they are. Let's go back into the violet. Near the top where the highlight is, and I'm just clicking these down. There you go, you see? Let's have a little bit of white. Keep going in one place and you get them little points.